Hi everybody, this is your buddy, your Paladin Hawthorne, and I'm here with another unboxing. This shipped from Lexington, Kentucky, all the way to where I live in South Bend, Indiana. As always, thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, please share, and watch yourself when you're opening up packages like I did not just do. If you want to help support my channel, cash at me at London Hawthorne. Or go to riptapparel.com, riptapparel.com, or onceuponat.net, and you'll save $3 or more off every shirt if you use my username London Hawthorne when you're checking out. So this is Emergen-C 1000 milligram vitamin C, daily immune support, antioxidants, B vitamins, and electrolytes, super orange flavor, 60 packets right here, 60 servings. What I do is I'm trying to stay healthy. I'm trying to make positive life changes and make it through this coronavirus. So try and get my immunity up, keep it up. And one of the things I do is almost every day I try and take some Emergen-C. What do you guys think? Do you believe in it? Leave a comment below. I'm not sponsored by Emergen-C, but slide up in my DMs if you'd like to sponsor me, or cash at me at London Hawthorne, or go to riptapparel.com or onceuponat.net. Use my username London Hawthorne and save money. Thanks so much for watching my videos. I'm trying to be funny. I'm trying to make light of, dark times. I wish you the best. Peace, love, and happiness right here, all right? Have a great day.